राम 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 स्वागतम सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः. Welcome to class 29 of Learn to Chant Saundarya Lahari of Adi Shankaracharya. Kshamyatam, apologies, there was some confusion in the beginning because I signed in and suddenly I was signed out of the webinar, and I requested our team to create a new link for today's class. So I think some of you were signed in the other meeting, but I could not sign in there. So I'll just give it like a few more moments because some of them are trying to sign into this Zoom meeting now. So I hope you all have practiced. We are meeting after a gap of 15 days or so, and you had revision, that is not the previous week, but the week before that. And today we will learn 69 to 72. Also, I hope you all were aware of Shankara Jayanti. An email also was sent from Vyoma, and hoping that you all chanted stotras of Adi Shankaracharya, including Saundarya Lahari. Okay, welcome once again to all of you. We have three panelists today, Charu, Shivani, and Vihan, who will be helping us with the Anucharanam. So let us begin with Guru Vandanam Mangala Shlokaha, and we will have a quick revision of what we learned last. That is 15 days ago, we have learned, I think 65 to 68. So we will quickly revise those verses, then move on to the new verses for today. Gururev gatir gurumev bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na gurov paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shruti smriti purananamayam karunalayam Namami bhagavat pada shankaram lokashankaram Saundarya lahari kartre sarvamangaladayine Shankaracharya varyaya Yatirajayate namaha Shankarupena machittam pankikritamabhudhyaya Kinkariyasya samaya Shankaracharyamashraya Shivashaktya yuktaha Yadi bhavati shakta prabhavitum Na chedevan devaha Na khalu kushalaspanditum Atastvamadhyam harihara virinchadibhirapi Pranantum stotu va Kathamakrita punya prabhavati Rane jitva daityan apahrita shirastraih kavachibhihi nivrittaih chandam shatripurahara nirmalya vimukhaih Vishakhendropendraih shashi vishadakarpura shakalaha Viliyante matah tava vadanatambula kabalaha Vipanchya gayanti Vividham apadanam pashupatehe Tvaya rabdhe vaktum Chalita shirasa sadhu vachane Tadiyairmadhuryaihi apalapitatantrikalaram निजां वीणां वाणी निचुलयति चोलेन निभृतम् कराग्रेण स्पृष्टं तुहिनगिरिणा वत्सलतया गिरीशेनोदस्तं मुहुरधरपानाकुलतया करग्राह्यं शम्भोः मुखमुकुरवृन्तं गिरिसुते कथंकारं ब्रूमः तव चिबुकमौपम्यरहितम् भुजाश्लेषान्नित्यं पुरदमयितुः कण्टकवती तव ग्रीवाधत्ते मुखकमलनालश्रियमियम् स्वतश्वेता कालागरुबहुलजम्बालमलिना मृणालीलालित्यम् वहति यदधोहारलतिका. Okay, we have to learn from the 69th verse. Request all the panelists to please rename yourselves. Okay, Shivani. गले रेखास्तिस्रः
गले रेखास्तिस्रः गले रेखास्तिस्रः
गतिगमकगीतैकनिपुणे
गतिगमकगीतैकनिपुणे गतिगमकगीतैकनिपुणे
विवाहव्यानद्धप्रगुणगुणसंख्या प्रतिभुवः. So here we have to chant the entire line at one stretch, but to make it easy, I will just split for now, but we should not split. Vivahavyanadhapraguna
विवाहव्यानद्धप्रगुण विवाहव्यानद्धप्रगुण
गुणसंख्या प्रतिभुवः
गुणसंख्या प्रतिभुवः गुणसंख्या प्रतिभुवः.
Like I said, we do not pause in this line. We chant the entire line at a stretch. It is one word, Samastapadam. Virajante.
Virajante. Virajante.
नानाविध मधुर रागाकर भुवाम
नानाविध मधुर रागाकर भुवाम क्षम्यताम् नानाविध मधुर रागाकर भुवाम नानाविध मधुर रागाकर भुवाम
त्रयाणां ग्रामाणां
त्रयाणां ग्रामाणां त्रयाणां ग्रामाणां
स्थितिनियमसीमान इव ते
स्थितिनियमसीमान इव ते स्थितिनियमसीमान इव ते.
उत्तमं. गले रेखास्तिस्रः. So rekha, please note the mahaprana. Rekhastisrah. Kha is mahaprana. Gati gamaka geetaika nipune. Next line we do not pause, like I already said. Vivahavyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvah. So here we find dvitvam in multiple places. Vivahavyanadha. Vivahavyanadha praguna. So here second p is being heard. So vivahavyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvaha. Virajante nanavidha. Dha is mahaprana. Madhura. Dhu is mahaprana. Raga karabhuvam. Bhu is mahaprana. Trayanam gramanam. Anuswara followed by ga. Optionally, we could combine it as Trayanam gramanam. Sthiti. Sthi is mahaprana. Sthiti niyama simana ivate. We will do one line at a time now. That is one pada, one quarter at a time. Gale rekhastisraha gati gamaka gitaika nipune.
Gale rekhastisraha gati gamaka gitaika nipune. Gale rekhastisraha gati gamaka gitaika nipune.
Vivahavyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvaha.
Vivahavyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvaha. Vivahavyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvaha.
Virajante nanavidha madhura raga karabhuvam.
Virajante nanavidha madhura raga karabhuvam. Virajante nanavidha madhura raga karabhuvam.
Trayanam gramanam sthiti niyama simana ivate.
Trayanam gramanam sthiti niyama simana ivate. Trayanam gramanam sthiti niyama simana ivate.
Uttamam. Now half a verse, 2 lines at a time. Gale rekhastisraha gati gamaka gitaika nipune. Vivahavyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvaha.
Gale rekhastisraha gati gamaka gitaika nipune. Vivahavyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvaha. Gale rekhastisraha gati gamaka gitaika nipune. Vivahavyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvaha.
Virajante nanavidha madhura raga karabhuvam. Trayanam gramanam sthiti niyama simana ivate.
Virajante nanavidha madhura raga karabhuvam. Trayanam gramanam sthiti niyama simana ivate. Virajante nanavidha madhura raga karabhuvam. Trayanam gramanam sthiti niyama simana ivate.
Uttamam. Now the entire verse. Gale rekhastisraha gati gamaka gitaika nipune. Vivahavyanadha प्रगुण गुण संख्या प्रतिभुवः विराजन्ते नानाविध मधुर रागाकरभुवां त्रयाणां ग्रामाणां स्थिति नियम सीमान इव ते
गले रेखास्तिस्रः गतिगमकगीतैकनिपुणे विवाहव्यानद्ध प्रगुणगुणसंख्या प्रतिभुवः विराजन्ते नानाविधमधुररागाकरभुवां त्रयाणां ग्रामाणां स्थितिनियमसीमान इव ते गले रेखास्तिस्रः गतिगमकगीतैकनिपुणे विवाहव्यानद्ध प्रगुणगुणसंख्या प्रतिभुवः विराजन्ते नानाविधमधुररागाकरभुवां त्रयाणां ग्रामाणां स्थितिनियमसीमान इव ते
उत्तमम् नेक्स्ट वन चारू
राम 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 राम
राम राम राम मृणाली मृद्वीनां
मृणाली मृद्वीनां मृणाली मृद्वीनां
तव भुजलतानां चतसृणां
तव भुजलतानां चतसृणां तव भुजलतानां चतसृणां
चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं
चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं
सरसिजभवस्तौतिवदनैः
सरसिजभवस्तौतिवदनैः सरसिजभवस्तौतिवदनैः
नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन्
नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन्
प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः
प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः
चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां
चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां
सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया
सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया.
Okay. Before we proceed, one of them has requested for the meeting password. I'm afraid I'm not aware of it because I did not sign in through the meeting password. By entering the meeting password. Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala, is that Prithvi by any chance, who is signed in as Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala in the hosts and panelists? Does anyone know the meeting ID and password? Or is it anyone from our team, the one who has signed in as Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala? Okay, Hema Bhagini, thank you. Vyoma has resent a new link which works. So please check your email. If anybody is asking you, your friends or anyone, please ask them to check the email. Oh, thank you. I think one of you has also sent the Padmavati Bhagini, thank you. I will just share it with everyone, the meeting link to join. Sorry, there's some confusion today. I think some of you had a problem signing in, and I got signed out suddenly. Yeah, I'm unable to copy the link. You have to refresh Vyoma site and then join under the second link. The password link, Vihan says the password, the password for the meeting, Vihan says is 774 DC. So please note that if anybody asks, but I'm sure you all will be able to sign in with the link which has been shared with you. Thank you. Some of you have shared the link, but I'm not sure if everyone has seen it. Okay. We will continue with 70. I will come back to, I understand some of you missed 69. I'll come back to it. But for now, I will continue with 70. So, Mrinali Mridvinam Tava Bhujalatanam. Bhu is Mahaprana. Chatasrinam. So, Bhujalatanam Anuswara followed by Cha. Optionally, you could chant it as Bhujalatanam Chatasrinam. Okay, please note the pronunciation. Either Bhujalatanam Anuswara completely or Bhujalatanam Chatasrinam. And Chatasrinam, it is not Chatasru. There is no extra su there. It is not Ra also. It is R, like Rishihi, Rituhu, like that. Chatasrinam. Okay. I'm trying to reshare the link with you all. Yes. Okay, I have shared the link with all of you for the meeting, because what you all send, only the hosts and panelists can see. So anyone wants to share the link with friends or relatives who are trying to attend, please do so. Next line, Chaturbhis Saundaryam. Bhi is Mahaprana. Chaturbhis Saundaryam. Sarasija Bhavastauti. Bha is Mahaprana. Vadanaihi. Nakhebhyas Santrasyan. Nakhe Khe is Mahaprana. Bha is Mahaprana. Nakhebhyas Santrasyan. So here, note the Dvitvam, Santrasyan. Extra S is being heard. So Nakhebhyas Santrasyan. Prathama Mathana Dandhaka Ripoho. Please note the Mahapranas carefully and please do not interchange. Prathama Tha. Prathama Mathana. Tha again there. Prathama Mathana Dandhaka. Dha is Mahaprana. The first Da is Alpaprana. Second Dha is Mahaprana. Prathama Mathana Dandhaka Ripoho. Chaturnam Shirshanam. Note the pronunciation of that word. Shirshanam. Samamabhaya. Bha is Mahaprana. Hastarpanadhiya. Dhi is Mahaprana. Okay. Now let us do one line at a time. Shivani. Mrinali mridvinam tava bhujalatanam chatasrinam.
Mrinali mridvinam tava bhujalatanam chatasrinam. Mrinali mridvinam tava bhujalatanam chatasrinam.
Uttamam. Charu, next line. Chaturbhis saundaryam sarasija bhavastauti vadanaihi.
Chaturbhis saundaryam sarasija bhavastauti सौतिवदनैः चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं सरसिजभवः सौतिवदनैः.
Charu, it is Sarasija Bhavastauti. I'm not sure if you chant it as Sauti. It is Sarasija Bhavastauti. Stauti. The. Okay, sir and the. Once again.
चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं सरसिजभवः स्तौतिवदनैः चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं सरसिजभवः स्तौतिवदनैः.
नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः
नखेभ्यः
सन्त्रस्यन् नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः
नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः
चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया
चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया.
Uttamam. Now we'll do half a verse at a time. Mrinali mridvinam tava bhujalatanan chatasrinam chaturbhis saundaryam sarasija bhavastauti vadanaihi.
मृणाली मृद्वीनां तव भुजलतानां चतसृणां चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं सरसिजभवस्तौतिवदनैः. मृणाली मृद्वीनां तव भुजलतानां चतसृणां चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं सरसिजभवस्तौतिवदनैः.
नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां सममभयहस्तार्. Charu?
Yes, ma'am. नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया.
Uttamam. Now let's do the entire verse. Mrinali mridvinam tava bhujalatanan chatasrinam chaturbhis saundaryam sarasija bhavastauti vadanaihi nakhebhyas santrasyan प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया.
मृणाली मृद्वीनां तव भुजलतानां चतसृणां चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं सरसिजभवस्तौतिवदनैः नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया मृणाली मृद्वीनां तव भुजलतानां चतसृणां चतुर्भिः सौन्दर्यं सरसिजभवस्तौतिवदनैः नखेभ्यः सन्त्रस्यन् प्रथममथनादन्धकरिपोः चतुर्णां शीर्षाणां सममभयहस्तार्पणधिया. Sorry, ma'am, I had some network problems.
That's okay. That's okay. Thank you. Well chanted, Charu. Next one, Bihan.
Ram 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 Ram.
Ram 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 Bihan. Nakhanamudyotaih.
Nakhanamudyotaih
Navanalina-ragam vihasatam.
Navanalina-ragam vihasatam. Navanalina-ragam vihasatam.
Karanante kantim.
Karanam te kantim. Karanam te kantim.
Kathaya kathayamah kathamume.
Kathaya kathayamah kathamume. Kathaya kathayamah kathamume.
Kayachidva samyam.
Kayachidva samyam. Kayachidva samyam.
Bhajatu kalaya hanta kamalam.
Bhajatu kalaya hanta kamalam. Bhajatu kalaya hanta kamalam.
Yadi क्रीडल लक्ष्मी चरणतला.
यदि क्रीडल लक्ष्मी चरणतला. यदि क्रीडल लक्ष्मी चरणतला.
लाक्षारसचणम्.
लाक्षारसचणम्. लाक्षारसचणम्.
Please note, we are not supposed to pause there. Some of you request me when I chant the entire line to split it up the first time at least, so that you will get familiar with the words. Therefore, I paused, but that is one word. Yadi, that is one word separately. Kridal Lakshmi Charanatala Laksha Rasachanam. That entire phrase, that entire thing is one word, compound word. So we are not supposed to split. Okay, we will go through the Mahapranas and other aspects. Nakhanam, Kha Mahaprana. Nakhanam Udyotaihi. So here, Nakhanam Udyotaihi. Two does are there, both should be heard. Nakhanam Udyotaihi. Navanalina Ragam Vihasatam. So here, Anuswara followed by Va. Optionally, we could give the nasal tone. So instead of chanting the Anuswara completely, Navanalina Ragam Vihasatam. That is also correct. Karanam Te Kantim. Anuswara followed by Ta. Optionally becomes Karanante, combining the Sandhi. Karanante Kantim. Kathaya. Tha is Mahaprana. Kathayamaha. Tha again Mahaprana. Here Visarga followed by Ka. You all know Jihva Muliya. So Kathayamah Kathamume. We don't chant the Visarga completely. We chant it as Kathayamah Kathamume. Tha is Mahaprana. Kayachidva Samyam Bhajatu. Bha is Mahaprana. Kalaya Hanta Kamalam. Yadi Kridal, not the Dvitvam here. Yadi Kridal Lakshmi. Ka is doubling, so Dvitvam. Yadi Kridal Lakshmi Charana Tala Laksha Rasa Chanam. No pausing in that line. We chant it at one stretch. Okay, we will do one line at a time. That is one pada. Nakhanamudyotai Navanalina-ragam vihasatam.
नाखानामुद्योतैः नवनलिनरागं विहसतां नाखानामुद्योतैः नवनलिनरागं विहसताम्
Karanante kantim kathaya kathayamah kathamume.
कराणान्ते कान्तिं कथय कथयामः कथमुमे कराणान्ते कान्तिं कथय कथयामः कथमुमे
Kayachidvasam yam bhajatu kalayahanta kamalam.
कयाचिद्वा साम्यं भजतु कलया हन्तकमलं कयाचिद्वा साम्यं भजतु कलया हन्तकमलम्
Yadi Kridal Lakshmi Charanatala-laksha Rasa-chanam.
यदि क्रीडल्लक्ष्मी चरणतललाक्षारसचणं यदि क्रीडल्लक्ष्मी चरणतललाक्षारसचणम्.
Okay, now let us do half verse at a time. Nakhanamudyotai Navanalina-ragam vihasatam Karanante kantim kathaya kathayamah kathamume.
नाखानामुद्योतैः नवनलिनरागं विहसतां कराणान्ते कान्तिं कथय कथयामः कथमुमे कयाचिद्वा साम्यं.
That much. Vihan, just the first two lines. Yeah, once again.
नाखानामुद्योतैः नवनलिनरागं विहसतां कराणान्ते कान्तिं कथय कथयामः कथमुमे
Kayachidva samyam bhajatu kalayahanta kamalam yadi kridal lakshmi charanatala-laksha rasa-chanam.
कयाचिद्वा साम्यं भजतु कलया हन्तकमलं यदि क्रीडल्लक्ष्मी चरणतललाक्षारसचणम् कयाचिद्वा साम्यं भजतु कलया हन्तकमलं यदि क्रीडल्लक्ष्मी चरणतललाक्षारसचणम्.
Now the entire verse. Nakhanamudyotai navanalina-ragam vihasatam karanante kantim कथय कथयामः कथमुमे कयाचिद्वा साम्यं भजतु कलया हन्तकमलं यदि क्रीडल्लक्ष्मीचरणतललाक्षारसचणम्
नखानामुद्योतैः नवनलिनरागं विहसतां कराणान्ते कान्तिं कथय कथयामः कथमुमे कयाचिद्वा साम्यं भजतु कलया हन्तकमलं यदि क्रीडल्लक्ष्मीचरणतललाक्षारसचणम् नखानामुद्योतैः नवनलिनरागं विहसतां कराणान्ते कान्तिं कथय कथयामः कथमुमे कयाचिद्वा साम्यं भजतु कलया हन्तकमलं यदि क्रीडल्लक्ष्मीचरणतललाक्षारसचणम्.
Next one, Shivani. Samande viskandadvipavadanapitam
समन्दे विस्कन्दद्विपवदनपीतं समन्दे विस्कन्दद्विपवदनपीतं
स्तनयुगम्
स्तनयुगं स्तनयुगं
तवेदन्नः खेदम्
तवेदन्नः खेदं तवेदन्नः खेदं
हरतु सततं प्रस्नुतमुखम्
हरतु सततं प्रस्नुतमुखं हरतु सततं प्रस्नुतमुखम्
यदालोक्याशङ्काकुलितहृदयो
यदालोक्याशङ्काकुलितहृदयो यदालोक्याशङ्काकुलितहृदयो
हासजनकः
हासजनकः हासजनकः
Shivani.
Ma'am.
Yeah, you couldn't hear the next line.
Yes, ma'am.
Svakumbhau herambah
स्वकुम्भौ हेरम्बः स्वकुम्भौ हेरम्बः
परिमृशति हस्तेन झटिति
परिमृशति हस्तेन झटिति परिमृशति हस्तेन झटिति
samam devi. So samam here anuswara followed by the, optionally we could chant it as saman devi. Okay, samam devi anuswara completely is also correct, or saman devi anuswara as in combine the sandhi. Samam devi skanda. So here saman devi skanda, note the dvitvam happening here. Second s is being heard before skanda. So saman devi skandadvipa vadana, again dvitvam here, skandadvipa, second the is heard, so before dvipa, so again dvitvam. Saman devi skandadvipa vadana pitam stana yugam. Here in the ordinary not to be a samasta padam, we would have paused after skanda. in the ordinary course of things, like yati, where we viramassthanam, where we pause. But here in this verse, Skanda Dvipavadana Pitam is one word. Therefore, we do not pause as Skanda. We chant at a stretch. Samandevis Skanda Dvipavadana Pitam Stana Yugam. Tavedam Naha Khedam. So here, Tavedam Naha, Anuswara followed by Na. We optionally combine the Sandhi as Tavedan Naha. And like in the previous verse, Visarga followed by Kha would be Jihva Muliya. So the Visarga is chanted as Tavedan Nah Khedam. Nah Khedam. That is Jihva Muliya. Haratu Satatam Prasnuta Mukham. Again, Prasnuta. Note the Dvitvam. S is doubling. Prasnuta Mukham. Kha is Mahaprana. Next line also we do not pause. Yada lokya shanka kulita hridayo hasa janakah. Actually, technically speaking, if we pause after hridayo, we should split the sandhi as hridayaha. But I did not teach it that way because we are not pausing there. We are continuing. Yada lokya shanka kulita hridayo hasa janakah. We do not pause anywhere in that line. If you want to pause, you have to pause Yada lokya shanka kulita hridayaha hasa janakah, but that is not the place where we pause in this chandas. So I would suggest we do not pause and we chant the entire line together. Swakumbhau, bha is Mahaprana. Herambah, parimrishati. Note the word parimrishati, not parimrishati. There is no m there, extra m. Parimrishati, hastena, jhatiti. Jha is Mahaprana. Jhatiti. E is Hrasva. So do not prolong it as E. Okay, so a lot of things to note in this verse, a very beautiful verse. Let us do one line at a time. Samande viskandadvipavadana pitam stana yugam.
Samande viskandadvipavadana pitam stana yugam. Samande viskandadvipavadana pitam stana yugam.
Tavedannah khedam haratu satatam prasnutamukham.
Tavedannah khedam haratu satatam prasnutamukham. Tavedannah khedam haratu satatam prasnutamukham.
Yada lokya shanka kulita hridayo hasa janakah.
Yada lokya shanka kulita hridayo hasa janakah. Yada lokya shanka kulita hridayo hasa janakah.
Swakumbhau herambah parimrishati hastena jhatiti.
Swakumbhau herambah parimrishati hastena jhatiti. Swakumbhau herambah parimrishati hastena jhatiti.
Okay, we will do half a verse at a time. One of you pointed out that in some books it is jhaditi. I have heard that version also, but I will just confirm. We chant it as jhatiti, but I have also heard jhaditi. I will confirm that and let you know in the next class. So let us do half verse at a time. Samande viskandadvipavadana pitam stana yugam. Tavedannah khedam haratu satatam prasnutamukham.
Amande viskandadvipavadana pitam stana yugam. Tavedannah khedam haratu satatam prasnutamukham. Samande viskandadvipavadana pitam stana yugam. तवेदन्नः खेदं हरतु सततं प्रस्नुतमुखम्
यदालोक्याशङ्काकुलितहृदयो हासजनकः स्वकुम्भौ हेरम्बः परिमृशति हस्तेन झटिति
यदालोक्याशङ्काकुलितहृदयो हासजनकः स्वकुम्भौ हेरम्बः परिमृशति हस्तेन झटिति यदालोक्याशङ्काकुलितहृदयो हासजनकः स्वकुम्भौ हेरम्बः परिमृशति हस्तेन झटिति.
Uttamam. Now the entire verse. Samande viskandadvipavadanapitam stanayugam tavedannah khedam haratu satatam prasnutamukham yadalokyashankakulitahridayo hasajanakah स्वकुम्भौ हेरम्बः परिमृशति हस्तेन झटिति
समन्दे विस्कन्दद्विपवदनपीतं स्तनयुगं तवेदन्नः खेदं हरतु सततं प्रस्नुतमुखम् यदालोक्याशङ्काकुलितहृदयो हासजनकः स्वकुम्भौ हेरम्बः परिमृशति हस्तेन झटिति समन्ते विस्कन्दद्विपवदनपीतं स्तनयुगं तवेदन्नः खेदं हरतु सततं प्रस्नुतमुखम् यदालोक्याशङ्काकुलितहृदयो हासजनकः स्वकुम्भौ हेरम्बः परिमृशति हस्तेन झटिति
Uttamam. As one of you requested 69 to be done again, what I will do is I will chant the verse and once again and request Shivani to chant once more after me. Then I will chant 69 to 72 at a stretch because I think we are running out of time. So I will just chant once. Shivani will repeat the verse 69 as some of you missed it. And then I will chant once again all the verses. Gale rekhastisrah gati gamaka gitaika nipune vivaha vyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvah virajante nana bhuvam त्रयाणां ग्रामाणां स्थितिनियमसीमान इव ते
गलेरेखास्तिस्रः गतिगमकगीतैकनिपुणे विवाहव्यानद्ध प्रगुणगुणसंख्या प्रतिभुवः विराजन्ते नानाविधमधुररागाकरभुवां त्रयाणां ग्रामाणां स्थितिनियमसीमान इव ते.
Quickly, rekhastisrah. Kha is Mahaprana there. As some of you missed 69, I am repeating it. Gati gamaka gitaika nipune vivaha vyanadha praguna. So that dvitvam before pra, two pers are heard. Vivaha vyanadha praguna guna sankhya pratibhuvaha. So here dha is Mahaprana, Sankhya, kha is Mahaprana, Pratibhuvaha, bha is Mahaprana. And that entire line we chant at a stretch, we do not pause. Virajante Nana Vidha Madhura, dha and dhu Mahapranas. So Anuswara followed by ga. Optionally, we could chant it as Trayanam Gramanam. Combine the Sandhi or chant the Anuswara completely. Both are correct. Sthiti Niyama Simana Ivate. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now I will do 69 to 72 and we will conclude. Gale Rekhastisraha Gati Gamaka Gitaika Nipune Vivaha Vyanadha Praguna Guna Sankhya Pratibhuvaha Virajante Nana Vidha Madhura Raga Karabhuvam Trayanam Gramanam Sthiti Niyama Simana Ivate Bhujashleshan Nityam. Shamyatam. We'll go to Mrinali Mritvinam. Mrinali Mridvinam Tava Bhujalatanam Chatasrinam Chaturbhis Saundaryam Sarasija Bhavastauti Vadanaihi Nakhebhyas Santrasyan Prathama Mathanadandhakaripoho Chaturnam Shirshanam Samama Bhayahastarpanadhiya Nakhanamudyotaihi Navanalinaragam Vihasatam Karanante Kantim Kathaya Kathayamah Kathamume Kaya Chidva Samyam Bhajatu Kalaya Hanta Kamalam Yadi Kridal Lakshmi Charanatalalakshara Samande Viskandadvipavadana Pitam Stanayugam Tavedan Nakhedam Haratu Satatam Prasnutamukham Yadalokya Shanka Kulita Hridayoha Sajanakaha Swakumbhau Herambaha Parimrishati Hastena Jhatiti. Okay, we will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. I hope all of you have received the playlist. I had sent an email as many of you requested for the continuous chanting playlist. That is when we revise the verses. So I think 1 to 60 has been uploaded in 6 different videos. Next class, we will be having a revision of 61 to 70. So as you know, every 10 verses we complete, we have. So 61 to 70, we will have a revision in the next class. Please practice. And one of you asked me if we have uploaded all 100 on YouTube. Not yet. We are doing it as and when we finish in class, it's being uploaded. All 100 recording also will be uploaded subsequently. So let us conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram. Once again, sorry for the interruptions in the beginning of today's class. I'm hoping that doesn't repeat in the future classes. Okay, Marjorie Bhagini says, God bless all the kids who recited excellently. Wish them a bright future. Thank you very much, Marjorie Bhagini. We require your blessings for all of us and for all the panelists who are doing a great job. Dhanyavadaha. We will meet next Sunday at the same time. Ram, Ram, Ram.